If you are struggling to add a link in your Instagram bio, in this video, I will show you the fastest way to do that. But make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, I will go to my YouTube channel. You can copy any link of your website, your YouTube channel, or any other social media platform. I will go to my YouTube channel and I will simply copy the link by tapping on share, and I will copy the link for my YouTube channel. After that, uh, I will have to go back and I will have to open Instagram like this. Now on this page, once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, and you'll have to tap on edit profile. Now this is the most important step that people make a mistake here. They simply go to bio and they simply paste the link. They tap on that tick on the top right corner and they think that their link is pasted. Now basically when they go back on their profile, the link is not clickable, and this is the biggest mistake that most of the people make. Now what you'll have to do is to tap on edit bio once again, and you'll have to first of all remove this link from the bio and then hit tick on the top right corner. Now what you'll have to do is to tap on add link option that is just below bio option. You'll have to tap on add link, and then you'll have to tap on add external link. Then you'll have to tap on the URL and you'll have to paste that link of your YouTube channel, and then you'll have to tap on the title. Now let's say I type the title my YouTube channel link, then hit save on the top right corner, and when you'll go back to your profile, you'll be able to see that now that YouTube link is clickable. If I click on that, it will open my YouTube channel. So if this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I will definitely help you out.